Welcome to this short and simple explanation of myWorld reward program. myWorld started over 2 decades ago in 2003 and now operates in 56 countries and is one of the largest customer reward programs in the world. It has been recognized as the best reward program in the U.S. in 2023 by Newsweek and Statista. myWorld is all about connecting shoppers with merchants so that both can benefit. Shoppers register for free and use an app to save money in over 500,000 stores, where they receive cashback and shopping points on all their purchases. On average, they save in total about 13% on shopping just by using this app. The merchants also join for free and get advertised to over 17 million members, and they only pay a small commission if they got new sales. So no risk for the merchants. If they do not get new customers, they have no cost. But what makes myWorld so unique for the merchants is that this is the only reward program in the world where merchants can register their existing customers for free and get paid when this customer shop in any of the other participating businesses. Imagine a small business owner now earns money when his customers make their daily purchases at over 500,000 local, online, and also largest name brand stores in the world. So let me show you how it works in this example. Shopper makes a purchase at one of the participating merchants. Then the merchant pays agreed commission to myWorld. Let's say that the commission was 10% for an easy calculation. The merchant pays this commission to myWorld, who keeps 2%. Another 4% go to the shopper, who receives cash back and shopping points. And as you can see, there is some money left. The merchant has paid 10% commission, but only 6% was distributed. So there is another 4%, and that could be yours. Would you be interested in that? You can just register as a shopper and start saving money on your daily purchases. You will receive cash back and shopping points on every purchase. Cash back is money into your bank account, and each shopping point will turn into $1 cash once redeemed through cashback deals. Just because you register, you will already receive 15 shopping points as a gift. But you can also register other shoppers by sharing a link for this amazing app, so they can also save money. For each shopper you will register, you will receive additional 15 shopping points. So, when redeemed, that is $15 cash for each shopper. But if you decide to become a marketer, you will start receiving many other commissions. You can register as a Lycanet marketer for free. The first commission is marketing bonus, which is up to 1% of all the shopping volume done by the shoppers you registered. What does that mean? Let's say a shopper spends $1,000 a month for his shopping where he received cash back and shopping points. You receive up to 1% marketing bonus, which can be $10 per month. Now, if you registered 10 shoppers, that can be $100 a month. So, because your shoppers love the savings, many of them will refer the myWorld app to their friends and family. And as a result, you receive the same marketing bonus also from the shoppers that were not referred directly by you just because you are a marketer. This is paid through unlimited levels of depth and width inside your shopper organization. That could be thousands of dollars every month. Let's move on to the second commission. This is shopping point cash. Every time your customers receive cash back, this will automatically redeem your shopping points for cash. Each shopping point has a cash value of $1. So for every dollar of cash back your customers receive, it will redeem one of your shopping points and pay you $1. This means that you need a lot of shopping points so they can get redeemed for cash. You get 15 just for registering, another 15 for every shopper you register, and additional shopping points for every purchase you make at over 500,000 merchants. That is great, but that is far from enough. All your customers together can easily receive thousands of dollars in cash back every month, so you will need thousands of shopping points to be able to redeem them for cash. And there is an easy way for you to get more shopping points by purchasing one of the shopping point packs. We offer the starter pack, which costs $450 and gives you 1,350 shopping points. That means $1,350 in your bank account when points are redeemed, and you only paid $450 for them. And when you need more, you just purchase another pack. The starter pack also makes you eligible for even more commissions. Now let's talk about how you can register businesses and how you can benefit from that. Let's assume that one of your friends owns a restaurant and you register his business for free. His restaurant can easily register hundreds of customers, helping your shopper network grow much faster. But what if you can earn even more? You can take advantage of the next commission, which is Partner Promo Commission. This means that you get paid 1% of the total shopping volume made by all myWorld shoppers in his restaurant. Let's assume that myWorld increases the revenue of this restaurant for $10,000 a month, and 1% of that is yours. That is another $100 a month just from this one restaurant. So now you feel like a co-owner of his restaurant without all the headache of owning a business. You receive the partner promo codes in the business pack. The business pack costs $4,489 and includes 12 partner promo codes so you can register 12 businesses. In addition to the partner codes, it also includes 18,000 shopping points that will redeem for $1 cash each. That is another $18,000 in your bank account when redeemed. After you have registered the 12 merchants, you can simply purchase another business pack and register 12 more businesses. Now, I am going to explain to you without a doubt the most important commission. This is like a net career. It pays you on every purchase and on any activity done in your entire shopping network. We have 8 career levels and they are super simple. Shopping creates career points, and the more career points means higher career level and more earnings. On average, every $150 in shopping volume creates 1 career point. So the more shopping in your shopping community, the more career points you receive. Let's make an example. If your shopping community creates 20,000 career points this month, you would be career level 4 and earn extra $1,800. And when they accumulate 2 million career points per month, this makes you career level 8 and pays you an extra $75,000 for the month. And the only way your income can stop is if people stop shopping. You need to understand that it will take time to grow your shopping community, but there is a way to build your career much faster just by explaining this opportunity to other people who would become marketers and build their own shopping communities. All the career points they accumulate will also count for you, and that goes for unlimited levels deep and wide. And you can build your career super fast because every time any of the marketers in your entire organization purchases a starter pack, this creates 225 career points towards your career. And when any of them purchases the business pack, that creates 2,250 career points. So with just a small number of marketers, you can easily reach career level 3 or 4 within the first month. What I would love to do is to build a large shopping community together with you. And to do that, my suggestion would be that you do the same as I did, which is to register as a marketer, get your first $450 starter pack, and we get to work.